sudden balance by sudden efficiency before taking out the lows. So what this is actually showing me is the market is failing to book high prices due to the fact that it's showing weakness going up to the upside, right? We're seeing these big moves every now and again that's pushing price higher, but then this consecutive down close movement, right, negates the fact that we could see a rally even higher in price, at least for now. And what I'm looking out for going forward is this BISI, this inversion fair value gap, and this to be used as an inversion weekly fair value gap also, right? This will be my first point of interest at 1.32488, and this is on a weekly time frame to 1.31178. It is very choppy on GBP USD, so won't really be putting a lot of my attention on GBP USD. But when we have a look at Euro USD, I just want to leave you guys with the daily. And I'll show you guys Euro USD. It does look very juicy. I love Euro. I'm loving Euro. I don't even trade Euro. I'll be honest with you. I don't trade Euro. I don't trade pound. Right? I do have mates. I do have friends who are traders who trade the dollar index. They trade the Euro. They trade the GBP USD. Cable. And whenever I feel like my analysis is in line, is how I'm gonna put it, high probability. I like to share my analysis with them, to see how it merges with what they've got going on, But overall, I just use this analysis with with the stock index analysis to put them both hand in hand, So when I'm taking short-term trades, I know exactly what I'm doing ultimately, Reason why I love Euro more than GBP USD is just for the fact that we've seen clear movement. We've booked the highs. So let me show you the weekly for starters. So the weekly, we've rallied above these highs. Zoom out a moment. Massive sell-off, consolidation all throughout this time. We take sell-side liquidity out. Once we do so, we take this high, we take this high, and we also take this high out. All right. So we've been trading to the upside from the beginning of 2025. Now, this is the only time so far that we're starting to see some form of reversal apart from this drop into the BISI. Right? We failed this BISI, which in this case we failed this BISI, assuming that in 2 days this candle will not close lower, higher. Right? So if that's the case, there's no inefficiency here. That means we're looking for price to drop as low as 1.12647 to 1.11465. That is a potential. That is something that could play out. But because I am aiming for low hanging fruits, right, I'm gonna have to drop to the daily time frame to show you guys exactly where I got this flag, right, and